followers. Now I have drawn some figures. Let us see what is this. Then we will explain what is the function of this mechanism. Suppose this is an wedge. Okay, and this is one another element. So latest element, this is element link 1 and this is the link 2. This link 1 generally we call it a cam. This one we call it a cam and this one we call it a follower. Why? Follower and cam and follower. Now suppose this wedge, if I move in this way, in this fashion, in this direction, suppose in this direction, what will happen to this element link 2? What will happen to the link 2? Anybody can say? If I move this link in this directions, what will happen to the link 2? Hello? Yes, it will go up. When it will go this direction, it will go down, and when it will go this direction, it will go down, isn't it? Because this is the slant is there. If this goes this direction, then this will go down, and if we go this way, this will go up. Now, so that's why this is the called cam. Cam is the primary motions, and motion of the cam is following this link 2. That's why we calling a follower. So this is my cam. This is my follower. Follower is following the motion of the cam, and cam can be any type, so that we'll discuss. So in this cam and follower system, there are basically 4 things are there. In the cam follower mechanisms, there are 4 things. First thing is the cam, second thing is the follower, third thing is the guide, and fourth thing is the spring. Why? Cam is, this is the cam, this is the follower, this is the guide. Because if there is no guide, the follower can tilt. So that is the guiding. So between these 2 guides, the follower movement is taking place. That's why these are called guide. And what is the function of the spring? So this is the spring. Suppose springs, this goes up and it will go up, and when it will go down, the spring force will push it down and will make the contact. So what is the function of the spring? So spring, I can write the function of the spring, it will maintain a constant pressure so that contact between the cam and follower, so that contact between cam and follower is ensured. It will always, because sometimes it would happen, if it go up and it is going down, so at that time it may lose contact, but the spring will ensure that cam and follower will be ensured, the contact between the will be ensured. So that is the function of the, so that means in the cam and follower, where the motion is given, first we are giving the motion in the cam, who is following, that motion is transferred to the follower. So I am giving the motion in the cam, so follower, the motion of the cam is transmitted, and then through the guide, with the help of the springs, the follower makes some motions. Now anybody can, what will be the motion of the follower? Motion of the follower, it can be reciprocating, up and down. So that's why we call it a reciprocating. And here if you see, this is another thing. What will be the follower? This the follower motions can be reciprocating up and down. If you see this one, so this is the cam, this is the follower. Can anybody say what will be the If this cam moves like that, translation motions, what will be the follower motion? Now we are discussing the follower motions. Now cam motion will come. Cam motion will come. So I am discussing the follower motions. The follower motion here it will be reciprocating. That means it will go up and down. Here anybody can say what will be the motion? This is the follower. Total system is the follower. What will be the follower মধ্যে ক্যামের মধ্যে contact. Contact we can maintain a spring here. Also we can give a spring here. No problem. We can give a spring. So we can give a spring here. Spring systems we can give. If the weight of the ball is very high, then it will automatically maintain the contact. But still, to ensure it, I can give a spring also. So against the spring, it will go up, and spring will push it down. So that spring will maintain the ball. But what will be the follower motion here? What will be the follower motions here? But this is the follower is hinge here. So that means follower will go up and down na এরকম করে করবে. So if this goes down, if this moves this direction, the follower this is the follower. This will go up, but this is also follower. So this will go up. So follower will do like that, isn't it? So suppose this is the follower. So what will happen? Follower will go down. So this will do. So actually this is oscillating type, isn't it? So here follower this is না আমি বলছিলাম this one. So okay. Suppose this one the follower তো ছিল. Okay. So this is the follower. Now if this go up, what will happen? So this will go up because this is the fixed here. Fixed here. তাহলে এটা এরকম করবে, অসিলেটিং করবে about this center. কোথায় ফিক্সড আছে? It is fixed here. So it is fixed here. So that's why the total system about this center will oscillate. So this is the oscillations, oscillating types also. Follower I can make oscillating types also. Now you see this one. Contact pointer. Friction exist করবে. Friction তো exist করবে. Friction exists করবে. Yes, that is the question of that thing. So let me explain. She is asking, so why this friction will exist or not? Okay, definitely will exist. And after sometimes you will see wear and tear of these systems, because it is operating so many times. After that there is a wear, মানে ক্ষয়ে যাবে. So this is the balls and these things will be, because this is going up and down. If it does for a lot of times, so that will be damage in the follower and as well as the cam. Why? Due to the frictions. There will be friction will be there definitely. Now, can anybody identify? This is also wedge, and definitely this is the follower type. Let me do it same type. Then you can compare it correctly. So this is also follower. This same follower. This wedge shape is changed. This wedge is like that. What is the difference between these two? If I move this wedge in these directions, what will be the movement? This will also go up and down. Okay. The follower will also go on up and down. But my question, this up and down motion and this up and down motion will be same or different? Different. Why? Yes, that is the thing. That means this is the cam, na? So we are calling it a cam, and this one we call it a cam profile. Cam path or cam profile. So here cam profile is a straight line, but here cam profile will be like that. Now you say, if we move that like that, so this will have a continuous up and down. But what will happen here? Suppose I do like that. rather I make like that. Contour is like that. Suppose contour is like that.